Hey Waves, welcome back to BreeZ's world. I'm BreeZ. Today we're doing a seafood mukbang with my sister Brooke. You guys know Brooke. We have sausage, there's potatoes. What is this called?
That's just a claw.
It's a lobster, right?
No, that's a crab claw.
Oh, it's a crab claw. This thing is humongous.
Where is it a lobster claw?
I just saw this big old thing and grabbed it. We have king crab and then snow crab legs. So this one is Cajun sauce. This sauce is
Just
butter sauce.
Yeah.
And yeah, so we're about to dig right on in. This is yay then.
What was all this? This nigga just gave me the whole machine, cut it in half or nothing.
Oh,
And gave me the one.
sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sissy gonna be mad.
These are my favorite type of crab legs. Like, I don't care. Like, these is nice because they're big, but like, these are easy to open. So.
I'm excited to eat the king one because I've never had it the first time. I want to see how it comes out.
You're talking about bridging gonna be mad if I don't see this video.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be like, really, mommy? You had crab legs and you didn't give me none? Maybe I'll save him some.
Those are so good.
It was good. So this is the part that they sell though in the that we was looking at. And the butter sauce has onions and stuff. It's hot though. We cannot control the background music you guys may hear. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. But the neighbors is blasting LBC music right now.
And they say it's Saturday.
Yeah. It's either that or we're gonna hear Korean music. So I didn't want to eat.
It's either turn up or get sued down. Ugh.
So Brooke and I have vlogged. You guys are gonna get the vlog before this, of course. So if you haven't seen the vlog, go check it out of us getting the stuff for today mukbang. But we have went to a seafood place by the house and it was real up in there. And they have the duck eggs. Someone had requested me to do a video of me eating the duck egg. To me, that sounds like a challenge. So I'm not about to do that alone. I'm about to have some, make it a challenge out of it. But I've seen videos, people eating it like it's dessert. I can't.
I've seen that too. People really just eat that.
Yeah.
It's a street food. And, I forgot where. But it's like a normal street food. Like how we have street tacos and street. You can get egg.
That sauce is bomb. It's spicy though.
Yeah, I almost choked. It's good though.
We got it. That sauce is way better. I think we should.
You gotta probably scoop from the bottom.
Yeah, that thing hot. It's such a workout. It's hot. Trying to connect my camera to the phone so I don't have to get up. This is so delicious. Oh my god, you guys have no idea what it's like to eat and not have any kids around.
Not have to
Ooh.
open it for someone else. All that hard work.
Yes. Can you open it? You can't even enjoy the food.
And they be wanting you to do it fast. Like, boy, this is work. This is hard work.
They'll eat it so quick and be like looking at you like, okay, where's the next piece? And I'm like, dude, can I get a piece? That's why I ain't mad at nobody that eat their food in the car before they come in the house with their kid. They ain't gonna be able to eat. I'm not saying don't feed them, but
sometimes you gotta have some you time and enjoy your food.
Cause even after you feed them, they still gonna come and try to eat your food. They act like Coley.
Or they just want it because they see it.
Mm-hmm.
Kids don't even be hungry.
Oh my God, this is so bomb. What part of the crab is it?
It looks like a joint.
Is it his stomach?
It looks like it's his thigh.
Thigh?
Because look, if it's like his leg, and then this is like, oh yeah, the bottom of him.
This is kneecap.
Nigga, wait, hold on. What? Let me find the crab. This would be like his knee.
Oh, this is so delicious. The kids are with their auntie, and she texts me to take my time because there's no problem. I said good because I'm trying to do a video. I was supposed to get them at 3:30. I told her I was gonna come at 3:30, and I looked at the time when I sat down to do the video. It was like 3:20. I was like, oh, there is no way. But she texted me and she said it, and I was like, oh, thank you.
At least they don't play music late at night.
Yeah. It's like, turn it down a little bit.
But they be bumping music all night. I mean, not all night, but all day. But nobody want to hear what you hearing.
Yeah, like turn it down.
Folks, it's not considered.
No.
Oh, look, I'm moving fast.
I'm over here grubbing.
I gotta do something for spooky season.
Hmm?
I said I gotta do something for spooky season. We gotta go somewhere.
What's spooky season?
October.
Oh.
'Tis the season to be spooky.
You already is. Just kidding.
Like, we gotta go to like horror night or something.
There's no mazes around that's cheaper than $60.
I'm scared to go on my little hayride stuff.
I really want to go to Universal.
I hear it. It's up.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I'm about to try to eat this big old thing. I'm like, how do you open it? Ow! This little bastard can probably clip your hand off, huh?
Probably.
It's sharp.
I need to get a knife.
smell like, it smells like spoiled milk.
I don't like the meat that's in there. It be mushy. It's not firm like this meat.
I don't know how I'm supposed to get in this. That
You gonna have to like hit it with something.
Yes, sir.
My nose is starting to hurt right now.
Oh, trying to cut you. Why you give me this hot ass soda?
I got your mouth fizzling.
I'm like, when I took the first sip, I'm like, that shit hot.
It was kind of cold until you locked us in this hot house.
Nah. Let's see it this way. Hell no.
Break the scissors.
I want my meat. You gonna come out today, boy. Oh. I think I may have found the spot.
Because when I'm rich, I'm gonna eat seafood every day.
I don't know how I feel about this.
It's mushy and disgusting. That seasoning would taste delicioso. I just licked it off the crab.
Alright, y'all. Finally got this little piece. I cut my finger the other day at work, so I can't use my pointer.
My pinky's currently handicapped because I broke my nail.
This is just, maybe if I push it in.
I can't wait till we crack this bad boy open. But his meat looks, this just look fake. I can't believe there's something in the ocean that's big.
Yeah, that thing is huge, y'all.
Okay, good. I'm losing my mind.
I'm trying to get Larry the lobster fucking claw out.
Okay, good.
Yeah, cool. It was worth it. Sausage.
My head low-key hurt.
Hmm?
My hair hurt. My head hurt, but my tummy happy. I need the recipe to this sauce.
Right. That sauce is so good.
It tastes like when you go to like Hot and Juicy or something.
I'm making a mess.
For real.
I need a bed. I need a table cover.
I'm about to fall off.
Mommy, I'm cold. Give me my blanket. You gonna open him? Where the other one? We got another one. Yeah.
What is that? Oh, no. Oh my nail. Oh wait, that's scary. I ain't opening it big enough. Ew. I'm gonna smell like crab.
It doesn't smell like holy breath.
Cold breath do not smell like this.
Yeah, it smells like fish.
You know how?
Because Tony, Tony's gonna tell the dog his breath smell like B-Love seafood mukbang.
He said, dang, Cody, your breath smell like a B-Love seafood crab boil.
That fool.
That made that yesterday.
I was like, hell no.
I was like, this nigga's so descriptive.
Oh, yes.
I'm just thinking, wouldn't that smell good?
What?
Oh, a seafood boil. Like, seafood smells good to me.
Sometimes.
I mean, when we walked into that store, that, you know, so, hold on now. That was a different smell. We were smelling all types of ocean.
Right.
But when the seafood is done cooked and all that, it smells delicious. This little horn is gonna mess up my mouth and my fingers. Oh, it's cold.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Dump it in there. That's hot. It'll warm it up.
Oh, my nose and my eyes jacked up. I'm just a mess. And dip it in the butter sauce. Bring it over here to the Cajun sauce. Get some lemon on that thing. And drown that thing. Eat that. Mmm. Ouch.
I know, it's all pokey.
My hand hurt. I can't even grip it like I'm.
Woo!
Did you know that octopus eats crabs?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I'm an octopus.
Like, them niggas be snatching up crabs. And I'm just like, how? And these crabs, their little spiky things is what be stopping octopus from eating them. What the? Why is he soft?
Here, use a scissor.
I don't even know where to cut it from. It's not even. It's hollow.
This is Halloween. This is Halloween.
Not me.
Oompa, oompa, doobadee-dee. If you were smart, you listen to me. Do you follow Bobby Holiday?
I'm gonna say who is that, but no.
I'm trying to figure out how is he pranking these people when they don't see the camera. Is he wearing like some of his? Oh,
No.
fry that shit up. I don't want that one.
Open this. We're gonna share the meat.
I think that's probably why I'm tired of eating. It took so long trying to. Oh, we're gonna share the meat. Okay.
So open.
You're trying to set me up.
My scarf is on too tight or something. My head hurt.
My back ache, my bra too tight, my booty shake from left to right, say left, right, left, right, left, right.
That always made me think of what you call it, daps.
That's
I don't know why I did not know.
That's
Like, it had to settle in with me that was Holly Berry.
Have you ever seen our Jungle Fever as a crackhead?
I seen her as a crackhead in like Isaiah or something like that.
Look at that shit.
Ooh.
Now see, that one not bad. Dang.
This nigga just left it in the butter.
Let me cook. Can't be told you gonna eat it. You want some of this pizza? I still have some of that. I'm trying to secure the meat. Not sure.
Like, these niggas don't even talk, they just eat.
Right? Sorry, y'all.
I'm gonna drop some juice on me.
So I'm running out of space on the camera. We're gonna end the video right here. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Check out our vlogs. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.